Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty videos. So if that's what you like, please subscribe and press the notification bell button so you'll know when I upload videos. Anyway, today I'm going to do a ranking video of the palettes that I have used in May. I know I'm a little bit late, but I just now had time to work on it. So I've got this stack and I've got these also, and I worked on it last night finding out what I liked about each one. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got me this notebook here, and I think I'm just going to tear the page out. Maybe not. Let's see if we can get this. So number 14, there's 14 palettes. My least favorite was the Willy Wonka. Here's this color story, and the only reason I didn't like it is because it's all brown. I'm not into all brown. I think they were creamy and soft, and they worked good, but I just don't like all brown. But other than that, it's a fine palette. I mean, it felt good, it worked good. I just don't like all brown. So this is my least favorite. That doesn't mean it has to be your least favorite. So, anyway, you might love it. If you like brown, you would probably like it just fine. So then we've got number 13 is the T-Birds. Let's see if I can find this. And I only used one color out of this, but I did use it. I think I used some black or some white. And I'm going to do a dedicated video for this one of these days. You can tell I used the white. For Monday night movies. And I'm sure I will like it just fine because it's got all my favorite colors purple in it. In fact, today it was a real toss-up between wearing purple or not. I was going to do the spring palette, which I might do that tomorrow. Or I might use the summer palette. Anyway, so I only used one color. I didn't get a chance to really test it out good. This is a Revolution palette for Grease, and I'm going to do a dedicated Monday night movies with this one of these days. So, the next one is Galactic Assembly. This one is really pretty. I like it, but all the colors are, you got either brown or blue, and now I got companion palettes I can use with it, but I'm not saying I don't like it. I do like it. It was just number 12 in the list. And anyway, so we're going to use this again one of these days. I forgot, well, I think I used this with the Freaky Friday or something. So it's just number 12. This come from Amazon, but they might have a website. I'm not sure. But anyway, these all were pretty colors, but it's an all shimmer look. So you would probably want to pull out a different palette for mattes or something. So you can do an all shimmer if that's your thing. I'm not really an all shimmer person. I like to have some mattes to go with it. So number Midnight Masquerade. That is Wonder Beauty in the Clouds. That is number 11. I was going to put Midnight Masquerade before, and I got them in the wrong order. And I liked this one. This works really well. I thought they were really nice. They were just so light. They were just so muted. I'm just not in the mood for it. And then the extra colors are just brown, which I'm not that into brown. So, but I liked this. I thought it worked real good, and I liked it. It was pretty. It's just not my favorite. So, now we're going to do number 10 is Midnight Masquerade. Now, Midnight Masquerade and the Assembly one came as a gift from a subscriber. So, I've done 2 or 3 looks with this, and I like them real well. They're really dark. So if you like dark, you'll like this. And I did several looks with them in the past, and I'm not sure exactly what I did with this. I think, but I like it. It's a real pretty palette, and it's just real dark, and so that's the only reason it's a little bit lower in the list. There's not any light colors to go with it, but you have, looks like each color shade has got like 2 mattes and a shimmer, and on your eye they all look kind of similar. And in the pan, like right now where I'm showing it to you, you can definitely tell the difference between all the colors. But sometimes whenever you're just looking down at it, they just look kind of drab. I don't know. Anyway, I like it. It's just not my favorite. So, number 9, Pat McGrath. I think I just used 1 or 2 colors out of this. Perhaps I had a lighter shade palette that I used, and I think I might have used blue or purple or something. Anyway, this is a nice little rainbow palette. To me, I can't use it all by itself because there's not any lighter colors in it, but this is good rainbow palette. And that was number 9. And I picked this up off Macari. I did not know about Pat McGrath in time to get that. So, I'm going to move these palettes. The next one is Carnival XL. Now, Carnival XL, I have in the past used this just as by itself, but I didn't this month. I use it as a companion rainbow palette when I need extra colors or something. And I'm sure I used black. I might have used some blue or something in here too. Anyway, it's just a nice rainbow palette. You know, I have a few rainbow palettes and we need them. So that's what I use it for, is just for companions. And so that was number 8. We're getting halfway done now. Number 7 is the Pastel Dreams. I did do a look, maybe 2, with the Pastel Dreams palette. This was a gift from a subscriber, and so I wanted to do a look. I would like this one here, I consider just a rainbow companion palette. I think that you need some darker shades, to darken up the corners or edges or help it out. But this is real pretty. The greens are pretty. Everything's real pretty in it. We just needed some darker colors. But this is a nice palette, and I liked it, from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. So my subscriber picked that out all on himself. I didn't ask for it. I mean, I had been looking at it, but I wasn't going to buy it because I just thought, well, I didn't need a pastel palette. But he got it for me. The next one was Pokemon. I'm not sure. I've done a Monday night movie with Pokemon, plus I used him as some other colors too. So here's a cute palette. So I can use him on 4th of July. It looks like we got some blue, we got some white, and we got some red. I think I might have used him for a red, white, and blue look. I'm not sure. But I definitely have used other things too. I can see the digs in with the purple and stuff. And so I've definitely used this palette. What is this color? Pewter City. It's just sort of a white silvery color. Anyway, so we'll be seeing more from Pokemon because I have him in my rainbow palette section of my palettes. Although we need to do another reorganization because I've been getting new palettes. My subscribers have been sending me palettes. So that's been a big help for my channel. Number 5, Barbie. I loved this palette. He's number 5 on the list. And this was my subscriber sent me the whole collection. And so I really like this. It got some browns and some pinks. You know, I love pinks. We've got a purple. And so all the colors I like more colors in this too. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I've used almost all of these. Definitely all the shimmers. You can see all the dig marks. And I've used the mattes too. You just can't tell as much about them. But I've used this and I'll use it again. I love this whole collection. Plus they got the complexion products plus the lip kits also. That was number 5. Number 4 is the You Can Be palette. Okay. Gotta save that. This was also from my subscriber, and I did not ask for this. It's pretty. I didn't ask for it. It came from Amazon, and you know, actually, I really like this. This is a better. I bought that Odin's Eye palette of Heather's, the collection, and I like some of them. I'm gonna have to just force myself to use it. But these are all pretty. You can see I've got digs in every single one of these, so I've used it a lot. Like you can use that with the Pastel Dreams. You can use it for anything. And since then, he's got me the Nomad Shimmer Multi-Chrome palette too. So now I've got several of these, and these are good. Just special colors. We'd be using that a lot too. And this came from Amazon, but I think you can get used, can be like from the C Beauty store and stuff like that, but I've never bought anything from there. So we're getting down to the end. Okay, now it was a real toss-up between the last three. Okay, I started with one, I scratched it out and did another one. So number 3 is the Odin's Eye. I almost used that one today for the last day of spring, but I didn't. I decided against it. So maybe I'll use it tomorrow for the first day of summer as a goodbye to spring. So anyway, I can't remember exactly what looks I did this. I did 2 or 3 looks, but I'm probably going to do another look tomorrow. It's for the last day of spring. Or I guess summer starts tomorrow. Or I can pull out the summer palette. But anyway, I purchased this myself. I purchased the whole Fort selection. Got a little bit of a discount and got a scarf too. So anyway, you can see I've got dig marks in the blue and in the peach and a bunch of them. So that was number 3. Number 2 is the Singe Beauty Agate Temptation. And I purchased these myself on the Singe Beauty site. She had a sale, and I think she's got a sale this weekend too. But the only thing that I don't have is the Paisley Hoot, and I do have her newest palette, so I don't know that I actually need it. And I did a few looks with these, and I need to do some more. It looks, there's some green. There's a whole row of green that I haven't used, so I need to do that. Well, actually, there's 2 rows of green. There's like a bright green for the spring, and we have this green up here that's a little bit more olivey. So this is a beautiful palette, so it is number 2. I got Temptation from Singe Beauty. Now, number 1. It's what I've got on my eyes today. I did a look this morning. I did record it, but I'm not recording it as a long video. I'll probably chop it up and make a short out of it. And so number 1, my favorite, I'm not saying it's the best quality or anything, I'm saying it was my favorite, is the Cursed Moon palette from MVA Cosmetics. The winner, look at all this. I think I've done, this will be the 4th or 5th look I did with it. I have not used this color. I can't figure out what I would want to do with it. I mean, it's a pretty color. To me, it don't fit in. But anyway, but I love all the other colors. This one's kind of interesting. Like, it looks kind of cool tone in the palette. But then when you, like white, but then when you put it on, it looks a little bit more golden. It kind of shifts. But I loved all of these. And so this is the look that I did today with it. I used turquoise and blue. I used this and this. And what else? I think that's it. But I love this palette. And I got some more MVA palettes that I need to be using. In fact, I got a brand new one that I have not even put out of it. And I purchased this one myself. And I have another one that I purchased myself. And I'm not sure if I've used it yet. And then I have one that my subscriber sent me that I haven't used yet. Anyway, so there's my ranking for May. Sorry I'm late. I just didn't have time. I was doing other videos, other types of videos. But today I thought would be a real good day to do that. So thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a like, give me a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.